In this video, I'll show you how to use your Cash App account to pay at a gas station without a card. Even if you don't have your physical Cash App card with you, there are still a few ways you can make a payment using your phone. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. If you've already been issued a Cash App card but don't have it physically, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap the card icon in the bottom left corner to view your Cash App card. This will display your virtual Cash App card. To see the full card details, tap the small eye icon in the top right corner. You'll now be able to view the card number, expiration date, and CVV. These details can be used anywhere card information is accepted, such as when paying through apps or services that allow manual card entry. For in-person gas station payments, the best option is using a mobile wallet. From within Cash App, choose the option to add your Cash App card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. Once it's added, you can use your phone to make contactless payments. When you're at a gas station with an NFC-enabled terminal, open your mobile wallet, select your Cash App card, and tap your phone on the reader to complete the payment. If you haven't been issued a Cash App card yet, your options are more limited. Some smaller gas stations or independent vendors may accept direct Cash App payments. In that case, ask the cashier for their Cash App tag. Open Cash App, tap the $sign, enter the amount, select Pay, enter their Cash App tag, and confirm the payment with your PIN. Keep in mind that most large gas station chains require a card or mobile wallet, so adding your Cash App card to your phone is the most reliable way to pay without carrying the physical card. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.